I want to explain quickly the purpose of the individual assessment you're going to perform. Well, we are going to focus on the impact of certain features, drivers, or factors, what you want to call them, on the execution of a self-development project, and that those factors affect, for example, development time, the cost, the productivity, etc. These factors are what we analyze, for example, when we are calculating the cost, the effort of a software development project. Therefore, with the estimation process itself, varying those values, those factors, the values we assign to those factors, and that affect the software development project, we obtain different scenarios, different execution scenarios. That is, for example, we can make the calculations of time and cost of a project, considering that the analysts have a little experience. And also we can make the calculations considering that the analysts have a lot of experience. We will obtain different results from the estimation process in these two different scenarios. And with this data, we could negotiate with the client which is the offer that is most convenient for him or her. Possibly with less experienced analyst, the project will be expanded in time, but will be cheaper. While more expensive, more experienced analyst will produce a shortened project, but also more expensive. But in any case, there are two different offers that the client can value. Well, apart from this manual way to pre-visualize scenarios of project development, for example, the Excel sheet that you already know to calculate the use case points, there is another theory called system dynamics, which can be used to generate a simulation model that can simulate how a software project behaves in different scenarios, varying those drivers I mentioned before. The explanation of system dynamics takes time and is not the goal of this subject, but we would like at least you to keep the idea of how it could be used to pre-visualize the performance of a software development project in different scenarios, considering different values for those drivers that I mentioned. In this small individual assessment, you will be shown the theory, just a little bit, theory about systems dynamics and how it works, and then you will be asked to answer several questions regarding how predictably you think a software development project would behave based on the explanations that we will provide to you about how a software project performs in different conditions and how the systems dynamics works. Thanks a lot for your time.